What's up guys, welcome to another episode. This is an REO opportunity, and if you remember the last one, we had a great multifamily in Woodhaven. Today, I'm showing you another one in the Rockaways. So let's tour some of the Rockaways and what's around this home. And when we get inside, you'll see that this one was completely renovated. So start packing your bags and get ready to move. And just a short distance away from the house, we have Beach 86th Street. And there's so much happening here. As a matter of fact, I see some locals right at the beach. Let's go out to the Rock Pier and check them out. One of the coolest parts of this section of the beach is that it is for surfers only. Check out what those guys are doing. Take the A or shuttle train and you'll be just a few blocks away from the home. Let's go to Beach 84th. So we're on Beach 84th Street and we're here to check out this two-family house. This two-family house features off-street parking and a nice ample-sized side yard. One of our youngest REO opportunities, this property was built in 2007. Among the many reasons why that's good for you is this one. The meters are located on the outside. Welcome to 301 Beach 84th Street in the Rockaways. Let's go inside. This is Unit 1, and in here you're gonna find a living room, dining room combo, kitchen, 3 bedrooms, and 1 bath. Enjoy the tour. Wow, this coat closet's like a walk-in closet. Wow, this is another big closet. Unit 1 was great. Those renovations came out wonderful. Now, let's check out the work and the beauty you'll find in Unit number 2. If you're gonna choose to live here, it's a hard choice. The second floor is also very nice. I love these windows, and this cathedral cutout for the ceiling gives it so much detail. You've got another window here, half moon, which lets in so much beautiful sunlight. You're really gonna enjoy this place. And my favorite part of this kitchen, it's a stainless steel stove with 5 burners. This master bedroom also has a walk-in closet, and behind door number 2, it's a master bathroom. So thanks for taking a tour of this REO opportunity. Do you have a house you want me to show, or a neighborhood? Let me know. Drop it in the comments below. Give us a call for your own appointment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll be seeing you back in the neighborhood.